Welcome back. Today we're in the Salem Woods section of Virginia Beach, and we are at 4748 Longmont Road. This 2,600 square foot home was built in 1986, and it features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's take a look. As we enter the home, we come directly into the foyer. Classic ceramic tile on the floor. To the left, we have a formal living room, sitting room, could be an office. To the right is the formal dining room. Buttercream ceiling, chair rail, and it passes directly into the kitchen. This home is in the process of being readied for market, doing some touch-up work here and there. Straight down the hall we enter into the family room with the wood-burning fireplace. Kitchen features a workstation, granite countertops, and enough room for table and chairs to make it an eat-in kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, gas range, side-by-side fridge, through here we enter into the laundry room. Continuing on down, it is the half bath directly off the laundry room. There's a frog, and we'll get to that in a moment. First, tough to see, but there's no light in the garage, but it is a 2-car garage, breaker box, and so forth. Head up to the frog. Very spacious. Question always comes up, could we put a pool table in here? And the answer is yes. And you have what's called wing wall storage over there on the right. You have a closet here with more storage behind. And over here to the right is a utility room with your air conditioning and your gas-fired furnace. Little alcove. Heading back down, we'll head out to the backyard. Again, back through the kitchen. Great room. Again, formal dining room over there to the right, left. And through the French doors with the built-in blinds, we access the fully fenced backyard. This property has 4/10 of an acre. Lots of space. Enough space you could install a pool. Systems, allowing you to have a home that has zone heating and cooling. Back into the great room. Back towards the front door. We'll head upstairs. Swing to the right. The frog counts as one bedroom, so this would be bedroom number 2. Very spacious. Little alcove here to the right. Bedroom number 3. Large closets. Next is the family bath. Granite countertop, custom tile on the floor, maintenance-free tub surround. Then we come to the master bedroom. New door frame. Walk-in closet. Large walk-in closet. Access to the attic space up above. And through this door is your master bath. Again, maintenance-free tub. Linen closet. Granite countertop and splash. Again, we're at 4748 Longmont Road in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Need more information? Please contact your realtor. Thanks.